Okay, they're reading these figures. They're saying figure TQRS is similar to figure BCDE. So what we're going to do is I'm going to mark the first letter that's named and then point the arrow around to which direction it's going. They're going T and then going around to name all the letters Q, R, S, like that, right? Okay. So where are they starting on this other one? They're starting essentially, well, they're starting at B. Okay. So start at B because that's the first letter on both of them, and then go to C, to D, to E. They're naming the letters in that order. So what angle corresponds with what? Well, you can just read it off of the diagram anyway. What's the first letter? T. And what's the first letter over here? B. So T equals B. That's got it there. Doesn't, here has it here. Here it's got it there. Okay. Here T equals something else, so it can't be that one. So it's not that one. And then you go to Q and C on the other one. That's obviously second letter. Q is to C. So this one has Q is to E. That can't be that one. Q is to C. That's got it. Q is to C. That's got it. And what's the next letter in the sequence? The next letter in the sequence is R and D, if you're going around. R and D. This one has R equaling D, so it can't be that one. This has R equaling D, so we're good. That's the one. And let's just check the last letter. Of course, there's only one left, and it is S and E. And that's what we got here. And that's the last letter there, S and E. So the answer is D.